Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the Makin Magic Trio from Painted Polish for Halloween 2019. There are 3 polishes here altogether. These are available right now, so I will link the website down below and I'll get into the swatches. So the first polish is called Feelin Hexy, and this is described as a nude holographic micro glitter in a vampy purple jelly base. So this one looks really nice on that first coat, a little bit sheer. Not bad though, should cover totally fine in 2 coats. I will say that I think the glitter in here is small enough that you can't really tell that it's not just silver. And good formula on this. So this one does cover completely in 2 coats. There is definitely going to be a bit of texture from that glitter. It's not super dense, the glitter isn't, so the texture is not going to be crazy, but there's definitely going to be resistance on removal, and you're going to want top coat for sure to smooth everything out. So that is 2 coats of Feelin Hexy. So the next polish is called Your Broom or Mine, and this is described as lime and silver glitters in a blackened violet base. This is another one, if you look at it in the bottle, I mean I can see that the glitter is green because there's a lot of glitter concentrated here. That just happens in shipping, it sticks to the side of the bottle. But when it's on the nail, I do feel like, again, that glitter is just a little too fine for me to really notice that it's green. So this one does have more glitter in it than the last one did, so it's definitely going to be more textured and have a little more resistance on removal. That base covers really well also, and good formula on this one as well. So this one does cover completely in 2 coats. That base gets considerably darker with the second coat, but the glitter still stands out really well. Oh my gosh, this black background and the fuzz is just not working. Looking closely at this one, I think if you do thinner coats, you might end up needing 3, but I don't think it's very likely. And again, you're going to want top coat because the glitter is going to dry textured. So that is 2 coats of Your Broom or Mine. And the last polish is called Covet My Cauldron, and this is described as holographic micro flakies and green color shifting flakies in an emerald black purple shifty base. So this one is a little sheer on that first coat, but that green shimmer, well, I guess it's a shifty shimmer, but from my angle I'm seeing a lot of green. I think it's primarily green anyway. It stands out pretty well. You will see here shortly when I wrap the video up, but this one is my favorite. I really like how everything comes together in this. Good formula on this one as well. So this one, it does cover completely in 2 coats. It was pretty good in one, just a little bit sheer. You will want top coat for this one. There is not any large chunky glitter, but those flakies that are in there won't dry completely flat, so you'll still want to smooth those out, but you shouldn't have any difficulty getting those off the nail at the end of your manicure. They won't stick like a glitter will. So that is 2 coats of Covet My Cauldron. So I think Covet My Cauldron is my favorite, which is kind of a surprise for me because I don't usually like multi-chrome flakies mixed into full coverage polishes. I guess it depends on the finish, but in general, I don't, how do I word this how I want? I don't not like them, but I don't generally gravitate towards them. But I really liked how this looked. I really liked that strong green shimmer that it had. It made it very Halloween-y. So that is the Makin Magic Trio from Painted Polish. Again, those are available right now, so I will link the website down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.